Hi, welcome back. My name is Prisha and today we're going to talk about a very important addition in every girl's life. The sanitary napkin. But let's start at the beginning. ये sanitary napkin होता क्या है? It's an absorbent pad and that's worn on your panty during your period. It's used to absorb the menstrual blood. So let's be honest, it's pretty much like a sleek modern diaper. पर ये sanitary napkins काम कैसे करते हैं? Sanitary pads, they have several layers of absorbent pulp so that they can absorb a lot more fluid. The cover of the pad, that's what draws the fluid into the pad, keeping you drier. It's much better than wearing cloth. There's also this plastic barrier at the bottom and that's what prevents leaks. So I'm going to tell you some basics about the choice of napkins, using and disposing them. Number 1. Use. Using it is actually pretty simple. Take the pad out of the cover, remove the paper on the back of the pad, stick the pad to the inside of your panty. Now look, if the pad has wings, remove the paper from the wing area, stick each wing on either side of your panty. Press it firmly, make sure it's not loose. Now that you know how to wear them, you can't keep them on forever. So sanitary pads को हर 4 या 6 घंटे में बदलना चाहिए. But how do you dispose of a used one? That's why number 2, throw. When you're disposing of a used pad, ideally you should roll it in paper, throw it in the dustbin because you want to avoid spreading the stench. Never flush it down the toilet. Girls, the next thing you know, there'll be a clog, the flush will be working the wrong way up, the water will be coming up. But if you do throw it on the streets, then wah. Not only is it unclean, you're littering and you're creating an unhygienic environment. Now we don't want to do that, do we? So girls, we know how to use them, but now how do we choose them? The right choice. It's basically chosen based on 3 things: thickness, cover type, and size. Now the sizes of the pads, well, those usually vary from brand to brand, but nearly all of them will start with the large, like Stay Free Secure, extra large, like Stay Free Secure XL, to the much longer overnighter, like Stay Free Dry Max All Night. Thickness. Pads are normally categorized between thick pads and the ultra thin. So on the basis of your comfort and your flow, ideally you should choose a pad which suits your lifestyle. Cover type. Now these pads, they come in 2 different cover types. There's cottony or the soft cover and the dry cover. I would suggest that you choose them according to what suits you best. You will see the quantity on the cover of the pack. Now these packs, they usually carry like 7 to 8 or 14 to 15. It depends on the brand. If you want any more information, you can always check out the Stay Free blog. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, if you've liked this video, please share, please subscribe and also comment. See you.